Hi, I'm Gabe. For this problem, we're given the inverse of the matrix 1, -2, 2, -3 is the matrix with entries -3, 2, -2, 1, and we're asked to use this piece of information to solve this system of equations. So let's begin by first representing this system of equations with a matrix equation. And we can do this by writing our coefficient matrix, which will be the matrix 1, -2, 2, -3. Next, we'll have the column matrix with our variables, x and y. And this is equal to our constant matrix, which is a column matrix with entries 5 and 10. So what we'll notice here is that this matrix right here, our coefficient matrix, is the same matrix that we have right here that we know the inverse of. So somehow we want to use this piece of information to go ahead and to solve for x and y. So let's begin by rewriting this matrix here. So it's the matrix 1, -2, 2, -3. And we're multiplying this matrix by the column matrix xy. And this is equal to our column matrix, or our constant matrix, 5, 10. I'm going to leave a little bit of space here for reasons that we'll see in 1 second. Okay, so now I basically have copied this equation from here to here, but we want to go ahead and we want to use this fact here to go ahead and to solve for x and y. So what we can do is we can multiply on the left-hand side of each of the sides of our equation by the inverse of this matrix. So here I'll multiply by 1, -2, 2, -3, and I'm multiplying by its inverse, and I'll do the same thing on the right-hand side. So we'll multiply by 1, -2, 2, -3, inverse. So now what happens is we have something that looks like A inverse times A, and we know that these multiply together give us the identity matrix. So what we're left with here is just the column matrix, xy. And on this side, we have this matrix times this column matrix. But we know what the inverse of this matrix is, as it was given to us when we started the problem. So we have xy is equal to the inverse of this matrix is -3, 2, -2, 1. And we're multiplying by our constant matrix, which is 5, 10. Now to solve for x and y, all we have to do is multiply these two matrices. So what we have when multiplying these two matrices is we have the matrix x, y is equal to -3 times 5 is -15, plus 2 times 10 is 20. And in the second row, we have -2 times 5 is -10, plus 1 times 10 is 10. Now simplifying, we see that we have the matrix x, y is equal to 5, 0. So what this tells us is that the solution to the system is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. So the solution is the ordered pair 5, 0. Thank you.